This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable camera access in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable camera access in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. And I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see the App Permissions section. And in the App Permissions section, right here is Camera. Click on Camera. And at the very top up here, Camera Access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps and have camera access when this is on. This is the main button right up here. If you want to disable camera access, you would toggle this off. But if you have it toggled on, you could go down below that. Let apps access your camera. If this is toggled on, then apps can access your camera. And if it's toggled on, you could go through here and you can choose, you can customize this to choose what apps can use your camera. Like if I wanted to toggle that off, I'd toggle that off, the Arc web browser. And down below that, let desktop apps access your camera. If this is toggled on, then your desktop apps can access your camera. But the main setting is right up top here, camera access. If this is toggled off, it disables everything. If it's toggled on, then you could go through here and you can customize everything. That is how to enable or disable camera access in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.